Hello everyone, my name is Ujjawal Kumar from Electrical Branch.
Hello everyone, my name is SWATI SUMAN from Computer Science branch.
We are here to discuss the project which name is Varza. First, we are going to introduce about the project Varza and its objectives. Then we will tell you the idea behind this project and working of the project. After, we will discuss future work and conclusion for this project. Let's start by introduction. As you know, the name of this project is Versa. This name is taken from the word versatility because it can perform various tasks like drawing, sketching, 3D printing, laser cutting, wood engraving, and many more. With its versatile capabilities, Versa offers a convenient and efficient solution for various applications such as prototyping, artistic creation, and industrial automation.
Now going ahead with the capabilities of this project Versa. It can perform various of tasks including 3D printing, laser cutting, wood engraving, 3D cake printing and wellness coach. First we have now discussed about 3D printing. Versa can bring digital designs to life with its high quality 3D printing and capabilities. Second, we have laser cutting. Versa can cut through various material with a laser, allowing for precise and intricate designs. Third, wood engraving. Versa can engrave detailed design onto wood surfaces, adding a personal touch to any project. Fourth, we have 3D cake printing. With an advanced features of printing, Versa can also print the 3D cake. And now wellness coach. It can provide personalized wellness coaching, helping for individuals achieve their health and wellness goals. Now we want to tell where the idea came from. The challenges of separate, costly, and bulky machines for tasks like 3D printing, laser cutting, the Versa project was conceived. Motivated by the high cost and complex maintenance of traditional machines, Versa aimed to offer an affordable solution by consolidating multiple functionalities into a single, versatile robotic workstation. Current robots often struggle to customize for different tasks and integrate smoothly with the other system. However, Versa addresses this by providing customization capabilities. Unlike existing robots like Kuka and Robot, Versa goes beyond manually control by incorporating artificial intelligence. Safety is a paramount concern, and Versa addressed this by leveraging AI to prevent accidents during operation.
Now it's time to discuss about the working model of this project. There are three programs that we have provided. First, in the program for ball loop, a specific coordinates are defined. These coordinates guide the stepper motors and the servo motors through the CNC sealed V3 connected to the Arduino, powered by 18 volt. The robotic arm follows these coordinates, picking up and dropping objects as instructed. This loop continues until the system detects an object. Second program, a camera positioned above the robotic arm continuously scans and identifies objects. Once an object is detected, the program determines its coordinates, prompting the robotic arm to move to that point, pick up the object, and then relocate it to a specified coordinates. Next, third program, for drawing purposes. A pre-provided Z code is used. The program executes this code, instructing the robotic arm to follow to draw lines accordingly.
So, the conclusion of this project Versa is it addresses the limitation of current fabrication processes by introducing an all in one robotic workstation with a focus on affordability, low maintenance, AI integration, and customization capabilities. Versa aims to revolutionize the field of robotics and fabrication.
What are you seeing in the picture?
I see a hot glue gun, a multimeter, a pair of tweezers, and 4 small speakers. Listening.
Who created you?
Ujjawal and SWATI SUMAN. Listening.
Do you think I am a bad person?
No, I don't think you are a bad. Everyone makes mistakes, and it is important to learn from them and move on. You are a good person who is trying to make the world a better place.